Hey, what's up everybody? How we all doing? Another really nice day. It's our last full day here in Egypt, and I've spent a little bit of it in the room editing videos, so it's not good. But this video has potential to be a banger, this one, because we have a glass bottom boat trip thing planned, and if it all goes well, it could be a good video, so we'll see how things progress. But right now I'm just looking for the family. I think they're in the splash park, but I am going to check back where we were initially this morning, because they could well be there still, who knows. Beautiful day, a little bit of a ocean view, really good. But yeah, don't forget guys, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, drop a comment down below as well if you got anything around like South Wales you think I should do, because obviously I'm going home tomorrow, so I want to keep the vlogs going. I found the family, that's good news. But yeah, let's get into the day and see what today has to offer. Alright, so we just had our food. What did you have?
Ice cream.
Ice cream and burger and chips. Did you have chips?
No.
I had burger and chips and ice cream, and we're just waiting now for the guy to show up who's taking us on this boat trip. If he even shows up at all, it could be a scam, who knows, but we'll find out. But yeah, hopefully the next clip will be us getting on the bus going to Shark's Bay on a glass bottom boat. So let's see how this goes, shall we?
Very nice.
Right, so we're on the bus, on our way to the boat. And the views, as you can see, are pretty epic. So yeah, I'll see you all at the boat. We made it to where we get in the boat, and as you can see, what a view. What a view. There's houses up there. Imagine waking up in them every day and looking at that. But yeah, let's go and get our boat, shall we? Give you all a little look at what Shark's Bay's got to offer. This is like really nice. Apparently this is where like people with a bit of coin come. Apparently there's some big Italian dude got a house up in the hills up there, big wealthy guy. Not surprised. Yeah, pretty good. Right, let's get on the boat. Oh, so we're on this bridge, and it's rickety and cranky as hell. Ugh. What the hell is this thing? I'm literally walking. Oh, whoa, whoa. Alright, so we made it onto the boat. Look at this place though. So nice. I'm definitely coming back to Egypt more often. Like, I will never go to like Mallorca or Ibiza ever again. Egypt and Turkey got so much more to offer, man. Crazy. We had to walk across that thing to get to the boat, and honestly it's probably one of the hardest things I've ever done in my life. I almost fell in about 4 times. I wouldn't normally mind, but when you got a phone on you and a vape on you and all other kinds of stuff on you, that's not good. But yeah, we had to walk across that. Look how like wobbly it is. Very, very weird. And we're off. Look at that. So nice. Honestly, so nice. Let's have a little look at the Sharm el Sheikh coastline. Awesome. Really, really nice. got us down in the boat, and I'm pretty sure they're going to stop somewhere soon to see all the fish, because don't see any right now. I'd love it now if a shark decided to try to attack. Started cracking at the glass. That'd be like a dream. That's right. Yeah, so I'll show you some more fish, I guess. Let's see what we can find. I don't know if I'm blind or what, but I'm not seeing any fish. Let me know in the comments if you can see any fish. Okay, now I'm seeing fish.
All of these is hardware, different color and different types. Take 1 centimeter, take 1 years old, take 1 meter, take 100 years old, prohibited touches, prohibited fish. National Park, prohibited.
Let me know in the comments if you've seen any fish. I'd love nothing more now than a shark to just come out underneath this thing and attack the glass. Imagine how good that would be.
Take 1 centimeter, take 1 years old, take 1 meter, take 100 years. كل شيء محمية طبيعية.
At least the coral looks nice. Oh, hold on. Fish.
Small size, black and white, we call it chocolate fish. Black and white, we call it chocolate. سمك الشوكولاتة اللي هو أبيض.
Alright, we're seeing a few more fish now, including those who went down the fair. Some of these people are getting well excited to see these fish. It's unbelievable.
Zebra stripe, zebra. 10 centimeters deep. 10 centimeters.
Cosa?
Oh, look at these, they're all coming to say hello.
Look, I think the fish is right underneath there. Oh, you're actually touching the yes. Look, so I think the fish.
Zebra stripe.
People love the fish. Seabass with snapper. Oh, now the big boys are coming out.
Nice sweet.
Massive boys over there. Where's the piranha? Where's the piranha?
White captain queen finger.
Anyway, I'm kind of glad I only paid a tenner for this trip, because I was hoping to see like loads and loads of fish, and a lot bigger as well. Like most of these you'd probably win down at your local fairground. when you throw a couple of darts at a couple of cards. It's pretty cool, like, but not what I was expecting. But yeah, it's not bad. 10 quid, probably worth it, just about. So yeah.
Sergio, for that color, Sergio fish.
Hey. A rybki podpływały już
Fish, got a different. It looks like we're like very close to the coral, but apparently we're about 2 or 3 feet, 4 feet away. But it looks like we're extremely close.
Butterfly, Sergio, butterfly.
There's some tiny fish in there.
$20 centimeters.
Okay, so now we are 20 centimeters deep. That's insane. One misplaced rock on this boat going down. Don't you love when you're trying to enjoy some fish and there's kids crying? Amazing. Now the big ones are coming out to play. Big boys are coming out now.
You look a bit scared. How big? Oh!
You're actually kind of close to the water in this thing. Like, look, here I am, and there's the water right there. Not much of a drop. Like, if there was no boat here, I'd be like up to my knees. Pretty cool. On the arse end of the boat right now, and it's like really nice. Cool as hell out here. Like, literally temperature wise, not cloud wise. That island over there, that's Tehran Island, and I'm pretty sure there's a military camp over there somewhere. Awesome. Awesome views, awesome experience. And that's just the back of the boat. Now we're on the way back to where we began, I suppose. It's pretty cool. I mean, it was worth £10 all day long. We had a couple of stops along the way as well for like photographs, that kind of thing. But yeah, I'd say this trip is worth it. I will also I will tag the guy on Instagram. I've done a couple of videos off my phone of just this journey. I'll tag the guy who sold us the trip. I'll tag him on Instagram, so if you want to book it when you're here in Sham, you know where to go. Shout out to him. I can't remember his name right now, but yeah, shout out to that dude. But yeah, been a pretty good trip. We're almost back, I think. Yeah, just coming in now, so apparently he's going to take us to some really picturesque spots after this, so we'll see what that's all about. And here we go, walking back across this thing. Honestly, it's like a crystal maze challenge. Horrific. Look at it. We made it back onto solid ground, thank God. And people have found a cat. Look at them, they've seen a cat. And you could swear it's the first cat they've ever seen in their life. I'm telling you, things get a bit weird on holiday. People see a cat and get moist over it. But yeah. Now, Christ, now I gotta climb up that lot, so wish me luck. Christ, only about 1,000 steps to go.
Oh no, it's 900 now.
Whew. Might make it to the top with a miracle. Made it to the top. Stood by the minibus waiting to go back. And the guide goes, oh, you know what? Come with me to this picture spot. Which I'd completely forgot about. But it is kind of nice though. Okay. I'm finally at the bus. At the bus.
Photo spot.
Get in the bus and sleep for half an hour. Shattered. Alright, so we made it back to the hotel, nice and safe. Awesome trip. Tito was the top man, our tourist guide thing. Tito, come say hello, bro.
Oh, look, my future girlfriend.
Yeah, right. Tito, appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, I love Welsh people. It's very nice. I love you, nice
bro.
family. I love you all, guys. Yeah.
Give my viewers your best charter plane.
My best pickup line.
Best pickup line, best one ever.
Best one ever.
Yeah.
Did it hurt when you fell from heaven?
Ah, he's a top man, isn't he? Brother.
Yeah,
appreciate
man.
it, bro. Top man, thank you.
Yeah, you take care, yeah?
Right, we're gonna have food. See you in a bit. Yeah, so that guy you saw in the last clip, that was Tito. That's not his real name, that's what he calls himself to make life easier for people, but he's a hell of a cool guy. We met him a couple of days ago when we first went over the shops and he was telling us about his prices, and I knew then that he was very cheap. But the trip was brilliant, to be fair. It was, you know, the fish, obviously, like I said in a couple of clips ago, the fish weren't like as what I was hoping for, like, but the actual trip itself, what you see and all that, where you go, is pretty good. But he does loads of different excursions, all at some of the best prices you'll find. The shop that he works in is called Crocodile Excursions, and it's where all the shops are across from the Sea Beach Aqua Park Hotel. So if you're staying in Sea Beach or anywhere nearby, it's well worth a visit over there to go and see Tito, because like I said, he's got banter for days. He'll tell you some of the best pickup lines you ever heard in your life. if I was single, I'd probably use him as well. But no, he's a cool guy. And he came with us as well. He didn't come on the boat, but he came on the bus with us, and he was putting music on for us at request and all these things. But honestly, you should, if you're in the area, definitely go and pay him a visit. But yeah, now we're gonna go over there and get some food for the night before going and having a couple of beers. So yeah, I'll see you in the restaurant. Alright, not the best choice tonight, unless you like seafood. There's all kinds of seafood, but I've gone with chicken, duck and chips. Lovely. Yes, this guy here is the best guy in the hotel.
Thank you.
So that guy you just saw having a little hug with the father-in-law, he is he works in the canteen serving drinks and things, and then when the kitchen's not open or when the canteen's not open, he's behind one of the many bars. And honest to God, what's he like, innit?
I want to take more.
He's outstanding. He doesn't, he just knows what we want every time. He comes to the table with a tray with a shit ton of beers, Fantas, Cokes, whatever the kids want. He knows what we all want, and honest to God, he's brilliant. He's like probably the best member of a bar team out here, to be honest with you. He's
like
so
me at
good.
this hotel, isn't he?
Yeah, he's brilliant, and he likes to crack a joke with you. He likes to just such a good guy, like such a good guy. If you come to this hotel, honestly, look after him, because he will absolutely look after you.
Mohammed,
promise you.
I think his name is.
Mohammed, yeah. But yeah, he's a good guy, good guy. But yeah, I don't know what we're doing now. What we're doing now, gonna watch a show or get pissed or what?
Yeah, both really.
Okay. Alright, cool. See you there. Hey, what's going on, people? I can't remember what the last clip was, but I think I promised you I'd show you a bunch of the entertainment tonight, but that didn't happen because the GoPro ended up on the table and I ended up getting mashed up. Drunk a lot of beer, listened to a lot of music, did a bit of a chair dance. Yeah, it's good. It's good. But yeah, I'm a bit drunk now. Bit drunk, but we're alright. But yeah, this is going to be the end of today's vlog. Hope you enjoyed. Yeah, just do me a favor, it really helps out. I'd love to see a bunch of people just liking, subscribing. I want to make a thing out of this YouTube channel. I want to, you know, put plenty of videos out for your entertainment. And yeah, come to Egypt. Come to Egypt, the awesome place. Yeah, man's tired as hell, and I'm gonna go bed now, so you all have a good one.